Okay. Uh, what is we are addressing now as what is Python? So, based on the documentation of Python, will I will just read that what is Python has been given in the documentation. Python is interpreted object oriented high level programming high level programming language with dynamic semantics. It's high level built in data structure combined with dynamic typing typing and dynamic building. Dynamic binding make it attractive for rapid application development as well as for use as a scripting language to connect existing components together. So these are the words: interpreted, high level, object oriented, dynamic typing, dynamic binding. As we go ahead, we will understand meanings of this, or we will understand what it means. So Python is designed by Guido van Rossum in 1991, and its development is performed by the community. Its community based development is there, as it's a open source platform. And Python names, where that name comes from, the creator named it after a BBC comedy series Monty Python's Flying Circus. Okay, so this is what Monty Python's Flying Circus. So now we will show the program to make to give you the idea of Python, its programming, and how its output can be uh, uh, how its output looked. So I have the list of programs here which I have done earlier, and here is the command prompt also. So the first program I'm going to show is Python. So the first program's name is Python make HTML skeleton .py. .py is the extension of that uh, file program file, and Python is a command from which we will compile this program, and its execution will start. Okay, I will enter now. Okay, here program has compiled and started. Make HTML skeleton, its name. So we will just fill whatever the program asks for, and then we'll see what it has done. Enter your name, let's say Ganesha, copyright year 2026. Enter file name, test my program. Enter title, Ganesha here. Enter description, no, I want to skip this. Enter style sheet file name, you know that stylesheet.css, optional. Okay, saved skeleton test my program.html. So let's see. Yes, it has saved this file. Just see that current timing and date. We will first open .html file and see. So as you can see Ganesha here, we have entered the title Ganesha here. That title has came into title bar. Okay, so this is the visible output. Now we will see its code. So test my program.html, open with Visual Studio Code. Okay, here the things are more visible. We have set the title Ganesha here. The title has come here. Then the file copyright, we have mentioned that Ganesha. So the copyright syntax of HTML file here, it is automated like written Ganesha. Description keywords we have left blank. So this is the HTML file is made up automatically by the input of our executing program. Okay, so just take it on face value if you don't understand. Now we'll see another program. It's Python bookmarks.tk.pwy. So this is the name of the program -tk, and this .pyw, it's the extension of that file in which it has been saved. So I will enter now. Okay, so the GUI window has been opened up. So this is a GUI program done in Python. We are going to do that. What it does, like it saves the bookmarks. Okay, so let's see, we have to save Google, and URL is https google.com. Okay, now we will click. Okay, so with this GUI program we are able to communicate with the internet, and we have just opened the google.com. Okay, so with this GUI program we have just opened the google.com. I will show you again. I have selected this and click on this button. It has opened this google.com. Okay, now we can save this also. Its extension will be .bmf test. Okay, so here is the, I will close this file program. So here is that test.bmf. Let's say it opens directly. So the application which will be able to open this file, we don't have that application right now. So the test.bmf has been saved through that program. So the point here is, with the .py, .pyw, with these Python programs we were able to interact with web through GUI or through a regular program. It has first make .html, then through GUI program it has interacted with web. So we written down the Python program which automated the task. Imagine we have to design some HTML file. If you put a developer, HTML developer, he will write that .html file. But if you put a Python developer, he will do the work of that HTML developer by writing the structured .html file in the Python, and that Python program will execute. Whenever that Python program will execute, we will get the structured HTML file. Similarly, applications of this can be tremendous, and as you can know now, why Python. That's why Python is used for automation. It is very friendly and AI automation nowadays. So let's go ahead with this. Thank you.